What's up, guys? It's your boy Ray Boss back again with a new video. Today I got I don't know how to say it. I want to say like a haul. Let's go with that. I got a haul from PIXEL ELIXIR. PIXEL ELIXIR is a company where they have, I gotta say, some of the best pins in the game. I mean, these pins are really good. They're high quality. Some of them glow in the dark. Some of them, you know, they all have different things. And yeah, I found this company through another YouTuber known as For Horror's Sake. So go give that guy a subscribe. If it wasn't for him, would have never found these guys. But, alright. So for the first one we got the Stalker Michael Myers. As you can see, if I show in my head. Pretty dope, pretty dope. I believe the, I like this one. Got a classic movie monster. Pretty dope. This was their Christmas one. It was a, Jason Voorhees with like the Santa's head, you know. Another super cool thing is that in the back right there, it's like a little snowman. Dope. This is gonna be a Pinhead. And his, I don't know if you see right there. The knife itself is a little bit glittery. See that? The blood just dripping off. Wow. Oh. I got a Godzilla one. I ain't gonna lie, I ordered a lot of them. I really like them. I put them in a separate bag. This is a glow in the dark one. You can tell by the color. My boy King Kong. And then this is kind of their own, I guess, spin-off slash kick. Is that they make pins. And then, like, it moves. So you can, like, I don't know if I can do this right. I don't know. The knife moves. See? Yeah. So this is cool because, you know, the new movie's coming out. And then this is supposed to be like a spin-off. And you can take the mask off. Super cool. Super cool. And then they also sent me, they sent me a bunch of stuff. They hook it up. I got some stickers, Michael Myers Christmas stickers. Got a cool holiday card. I did order during Christmas, so dope. And then they give you a bunch of stickers, so I'll just kind of, you know, boom, boom. They give you stickers for their special pins. The fog. They give you bookmarkers. I think that's what they're called. this one's cool. That's it. But yeah, literally all these pins. I got them all. Well, yeah. Definitely gonna be ordering more. They're pretty damn cool. Like, I love the moving ones. The one with the mask, you know, taking the mask off. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Shout out PIXEL Elixir. Go ahead and give them a little visit. And it's your boy Ray Boss. I'm back again, as per usual. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.